Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to solve for x given by the matrix A is equals to 5 over 2, negative 3 over 2, 2 and x for a singular matrix. So for a singular matrix, the determinant of A is always 0. So what we're going to do for this question, we're going to multiply along the diagonals. So the equation is this: A is equals to 5 over 2, negative 3 over 2, 2 and x. We're going to multiply along the main diagonal and the other diagonal. So it's going to be 5 over 2 x. We're multiplying minus negative 3 over 2 times 2, right, to give us the determinant, which is 0. So we have 5 over 2x. Negative and negative gives a positive, plus 3 over 2 times 2 is plus 3 because 2 and 2 will cancel to give you 0. So you take 3 across the other side, becomes 5 over 2x is equals to negative 3 because positive. When you take positive 3, the other side becomes negative 3. So x will be negative 3 times the inverse of the coefficient of x, which is 2 over 5. X will be negative 6 over 5. Thank you for your time. I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.